Hi, I'm Kerry. I'm the chief of the tribe, Best of Us Investors Tribe. We're a collection now of, I guess about 125,000 subscribers and about, I think, 17,000 at our Discord of like-minded investors who want to make better financial decisions, get to keep more of what we make by understanding the tax code and building family wealth. Each one of us, each one of the 17,000 at our Discord have a goal to accumulate $24 million to pass on as family wealth to our heirs. It's our right, and so we're going to do it. What I'm here to do today, though, is explain to you the partnerships that I'm forming to make my tribe better investors. We formed a partnership with Seeking Alpha so that we could gain the analytic ability of some of the best analysts in the world. And we're doing it not by an elite group of Wall Street analysts. We're doing it by the herd mentality, much as the world has changed from choosing restaurants by the Michelin guide or the Foreman's guide or whatever, the elite's guide. We're doing it by Yelp. The restaurants do it by Yelp. We're going to do it using Seeking Alpha. So I'm reaching out today to extend our invitation of partnership to help the masses become financially independent. And I'm reaching out to the online brokers and to the financial advisory community to say, this is your chance. The world is changing. The Wall Street world is changing, and it's changing by the internet. If you don't believe that, go find a Toys R Us or a Sears and Roebuck store. Go find them. They don't exist because they didn't adapt to the change. And this is your chance to join. And I'm speaking now to the Charles Schwabs, the E-Trades, the TD Ameritrades, the Robinhoods, the Fidelity Investments in the online broker field, and then in the community of financial advisors that my tribe needs. I'm talking to Edward Jones, to Commonwealth, to Raymond James, to Ameriprise. It's time for you to share your knowledge and your experience with the masses. And you can do that by becoming a part of the best of us. That's us. We're the best of us. And it's no longer an elite player's game. The internet is leveling the field. I'm going to talk to you more about what I'm going to bring you and the opportunities I'm going to bring to you, the investors, and you, the elite community of Wall Street, in just a second.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
Is this a revolutionary change? Yeah, it is. It is. I just look at how the market has progressed. The stock market has progressed in just the last year. How Robinhood is now adding more investors than all the elites of Charles Schwab and E-Trade and Ameritrade and Fidelity Investments. They're burying them because you people, E-Trade, Ameritrade, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, won't speak. You don't have a voice. You don't have a representation to these people. It's time you wake up. They are your future. You're sitting in, not in your boardroom, you're sitting in Sears Roebuck's boardroom. And someone is saying, what about this Amazon.com? Oh, they're nothing. They're just a book company. Well, I think what they're doing is digitizing our catalog. Oh, we gave up on that catalog a long time ago. And there are those of you in Charles Schwab, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, and Fidelity who are saying the same thing about Robinhood right now. And you're going to be left at the station. The train is pulling out. Or you can join in partnership with the Best of Us Investors, and you can share Share openly and freely how your platform works. And you can create content, and I can help you distribute it. I'm not going to ask you to advertise. I don't want your money. I want your knowledge. I want your experience. And I want you to develop an attitude of sharing. Step into the 21st century. If you give, they will give back. If you build, they will come. This is your opportunity to make a change that will endear you to the millennials, to the Z generation, to the next generation. If you don't, trust me, they will leave you in the station. And you will be sitting in your board of directors and say, why didn't we do that? This is your opportunity. You know how to find me. Just Google me. If you do, I hope you're up to that speed. Just Google Cary Grinkmeyer. You'll find me. How you can email me, text me, you can phone me. You can show up my doorstep. If you want to become a partner, and I'm speaking right now to Charles Schwab, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, and Fidelity. This is your opportunity. And I'm speaking to you, the investor. We are going to make you a better investor. We're going to build a platform here that is not going, already we've got Seeking Alpha. And we're building the platform where we will use that platform to actually build a team of analysts that will do videos on their analysis work of any stock you want to ask us to, and then build a library that you can come and you can see what these analysts said. Then you can go and look at Seeking Alpha and see what they said, and you can make a good financial decision. Okay? And then if you want, we will get one of these brokers, and they will teach you their platform. Then what I want to do is help you grow your financial future. You also need to know about retirement plans. You need to know about life insurance. You need to know about annuities. You need to know about CDs. There's so much more in the financial community that you need to know about, but that has been reserved. Wait a second. That's been reserved for the wealthy. Well, there are some people who won't even talk to you unless you have $500,000 to invest with them. Now, we don't want to talk to you. You don't have $500,000 to invest with. Bullshit! This is your opportunity, and I'm speaking to Edward Jones, Commonwealth, Raymond James, Ameriprise. You're the people who have all the financial advisors who can help my tribe, who can help them put together a plan for educating their children. No, you don't want that. You want $500,000. I won't say that word again. This is your opportunity to reach your community that will keep you alive in the 2030s. If you don't take advantage of this, trust me, if you're a stockholder of Edward Jones, Commonwealth, Raymond James, or Ameriprise, and they don't call me and say, we want a part of that, Cary. We want a face on your community. We want a face with the millennials that we will share, not charge for, share our knowledge. And then if you become aware of us, if you gain our trust and our respect, and you convince us that you can make our life better, yeah, then we'll be willing to pay you. But don't tell us we got to bring $500,000. You are, damn it, you're discriminating. Social, racial, religious, you're discriminating. And that's got to come to an end. Because guess what? There's a thing called the internet, and the internet says we're all equal. We don't have a face. You are the one who needs to give us a face. And I'm raising my hand and saying, Edward Jones, Commonwealth, Raymond James, Ameriprise, or anyone else who can give my tribe good, sound financial advice and help them achieve their number 3 goal of accumulating family wealth. If you're willing to help them, I'm willing to expose you to them. This is your choice. This is your day of reckoning. You either get on the train, or you sit in the station and watch it pull out. Because, folks, it's pulling out. Now, I'm going to say, like I said, if you're a stockholder of any of these online brokers or any of these financial planning firms, you need to get the message to your board of directors, to your CEO, and say, it's time we open the doors to the 21st century. We pulled back the curtains, and we gained a face on the internet. We gained a voice. And I think best of us investors needs to have a conversation with you. That's your obligation. If you're a stockholder, if you're on the board of directors, or if you're a CEO or an employee, if you're a financial advisor within the American Express system, the Raymond James system, the Edward Jones, or the Commonwealth system, you need to ring them up, because your future's on the line. Because if you didn't see what happened last week as a result of WallStreetBets and GameStop and AMC, if you didn't see that, wake up. It's changing. It's no longer a place for the elite. Nita told me the other day that next year we might be invited to this gala, and I'm going to have to wear a tux. Why? Because the elite say I need to wear a tux? I think I look damn good in my black turtleneck and my blazer, my jeans, my red shoes. I'm in control. I'm a part of the internet. I'm a part of the 21st century. If you like a video like this, I get a little rambunctious sometimes. Thumbs up, subscribe. If you want to be a part of my tribe, and you can join the tribe, Edward Jones and Raymond James and Ameriprise Commonwealth. You all can join the tribe. Just go to bestofusinvestors.com. Sign up, give us your name and your email address, and we'll send you an invitation to our Discord. And you can talk to more people like yourself. Okay? This is exciting, folks. You are at the birth of a major change. It's happened in so many industries. It's happened in retail. It's happened in every part of our world. This internet is changing it. And last week, it arrived at Wall Street. And we're in front of it. See you tomorrow.